In the video I posted last Friday, we were expecting some pretty significant moves up in the crypto market, but that is not what we got over the weekend as we tested and then broke below this structure support at 37.57 cents on Cardano. Now we're getting some really interesting readings on our charts, so in this video I'm going to be going over where I think Cardano is going next. Let's get started. Taking you straight to the TradeConfident.io website, we're going to head over to Cardano, and the very first metric we're looking at is the Cardano Emotional Index. As of right now, we are seeing a major drop in price, especially over the last couple of days, that has resulted in the emotional index falling into anxious territory. Most often when we fall into anxious or fearful territory, this is where we're seeing the next moves up. So that is exactly what I'm expecting for Cardano, especially as the metric appears to be turning around. I think we could be seeing price moves up pretty quickly here. Moving on now to the Cardano volatility breakout detector. We are just barely in low volatility. Most often if we're seeing low volatility, anytime we push below that, like we saw here and here, this is where we're going to be seeing absolutely insane moves in the market. So personally, I'm going to be buckling up pretty quickly here for some big moves in Cardano. Next up is the Cardano Whale Smart Money metric. As of right now, there is a ton of long trade sentiment in the market for Cardano. Whales are really looking to start buying Cardano on this drop. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too, especially since we're pretty close to the 600 to 800 range that we look for on this metric for moves back up in the market. Next up, I want to show you the Cardano major support and resistance level chart. We are very closely testing structure support at 34.54 cents. We have not quite reached it, but that is the next at least linear structure support that we need to be looking at. There is one more structure support we need to be taking a look at. It is not shown on this chart, but it is shown on the live chart, so stay tuned for that. And next up, I want to show you the Cardano long versus short trades. We are seeing rising short trades in the market, which is likely what has contributed to this move down over the past few days. However, long trades are still overall in the win, so we should be expecting gradual moves up in Cardano moving forward. And last but not least, I want to talk to you about the Cardano daily trade scanner. Now, we got a buy signal recently that resulted in a small move up, and we are very close. In fact, we've just barely broken below that structure support at that point right about here. So personally, I'm going to be looking for a buy signal within the next couple of candles, likely around here, for the next move up in Cardano. If you trade Cardano, you need to be looking at these metrics. They're updated every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific time. Anyone that's trading Cardano needs to be paying attention to these. So if you want to get access, be sure to grab a membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more. The membership will be the very first link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. Personally, I recommend the $59 a month full access membership, as on top of all 20 coins worth of metrics on our websites, you'll get access to future forecast videos. There's a super important one coming out tomorrow, and there's another one that came out this morning. You'll also get access to scalping trade calls, morning brew overview, where we aggregate all the trading data you need into one place every weekday morning. Just click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. This is going to be awesome. Here we are now looking at Cardano USD on the 1 day time frame. I am going to show you the 4 hour in just a little bit, but for now, we did see price versus while money flow low and trend exhaustion low just before that, as we got a buy signal. This did result in a small move up, not as much as I personally would have liked to see, but it looks like a lot of the market was actually moving down. Things just are not looking good. However, corrections like this are very healthy, and we are now testing structure support on this ascending support line within this ascending channel pattern. I do want to bring your attention to the fact that we got strong buy or buy signals at every touch, so it's very likely we could see a buy signal at this point as well. Each of these resulted in absolutely massive moves up here, and if we get a buy signal here, especially with price versus while money flow and trend exhaustion low again, this very likely will move to the upside again as well. Just to show off how accurate these buy signals are, if we go to the strong buy signal, I won't even go to the absolute maximum. I'll show you right here. Price versus while money flow was high, trend exhaustion was high, we got a sell signal. All three of these combined to be extremely bearish. This is a 43% move to the upside. This is not even taking into account the absolute top of this move, which would be 71%. Just to be fair, I'm just keeping it at those sell signals, the same signals we look for exits in every single video. Back here, we got price versus while money flow low, trend exhaustion low, and we got a buy signal as well. And personally, because these indicators were still fairly low, I personally would not have traded these sell signals, rather just waiting till we hit structure resistance again. Of course, that's all speculation, but if anyone took this trade and bought at this buy signal and exited up here, that's an additional exactly 50% profit. This combines to be nearly 100%. This is 93% profit in just 2 trades on a single pattern. So I'm going to be looking right here. Price versus while money flow is decently low. Trend exhaustion is nearly in its bottom red territory. We're on structure support after retesting and barely breaking through this structure support at 37.57 cents. This all shows extremely bullish for me on the 1-day time frame. So this is where I'm looking for big moves up in Cardano. On the 4-hour time frame, we're seeing an even stronger signal. We got a strong buy signal while the price versus while money flow was low and the trend exhaustion was low. We saw a tiny move up with a move down. And as we test this structure support, we're even seeing a green candle right here. This is where I'm expecting the next big move up in Cardano. And if you look back here, you'll actually see just an absolute crazy amount of buy signals that were exactly at the lows. We got strong buy low, strong sell high, buy low, move up, and then another buy here. Strong sell at the top, buy at the bottom, and just so on and so forth. It's absolutely amazing how well these three indicators, the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trend exhaustion have all been performing on Cardano. So if you are a Cardano trader, you're in luck because right now you can get these indicators for $450 off right now. More on that in a little bit. First, I want to show you my price predictions for Cardano. First up, we're going to go to the 1-day time frame and zoom back in here. We need to be looking back at this 37.57 cents as structure resistance now because we've broken below that. That is the first area we need to break. It'll be super easy to do, and I expect that to happen without much difficulty. And as soon as we break above that, I'm going to be looking at structure resistance at 42 cents for the next move up in Cardano, which will be a profit from the current price of nearly 17%. We got 16.93% right here. We will reevaluate around that 42 cent mark. But as I said before, if you want to access all of these metrics so you can track it yourself, if you're an IDA trader, this is going to be really important. You can get access to these indicators for up to $450 off right now. All you have to do, again, is check the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators are the second link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our spring sale where you can get $450 off all indicators. Let me show you how to do that. What you're going to want to do is purchase the indicator bundle pack using code SPRING50 for $50 off. This will include the trend exhaustion, price versus while money flow, and trend dashboard you saw on my charts, as well as a few others for you to try out. It'll also include a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder, meaning you can get all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators for cheaper than just the price of this one alone. In order to get that coupon, just click on the checkout link right here. Go ahead and click I want this on the store page. It'll bring you to the checkout page. And next, what you want to do is enter the discount code SPRING50 for that $50 off. Go ahead and click apply. From there, fill out all your information here, click pay, and from there, it'll give you a $400 off discount offer, the TC top and bottom finder for just $349 instead of the regular $749. Go ahead and click add to cart, and that's where you get the full $450 discount. Make sure your information is filled out, click pay, and we hope to trade with you soon. I'm excited for you to try out these indicators, especially as Cardano continues its movement. I'm expecting a bounce off of this structure support for a move all the way back up to here, 42 cents. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.